Hi, this is Mr. Mellinger, your physics teacher. We're now in the third week of distance learning, and I've had some new students added to my class. I wanted to welcome you and assure you that there's plenty of time to catch up. I typically give a lesson each day. It's usually around 20 minutes. So the lessons for a week are designed to be less than 2 hours. I have no tests in the class and just the lessons. And the nice thing is with each of the lessons, I give you a solutions video. And I do all the problems for you. I might hold back one that I'll ask you to do on your own. But if you can do just the ones I show you how to do on the video, you get a majority of the credit and get full credit if you do the one that I don't show you how to do. So I essentially do all the problems for you. I want to make this as easy as possible. Some of you are going through some difficult times, and so I just want to be able to get you through this class. But you might have some catching up to do. That might take about 4 or 5 hours total to get through the first 3 weeks of the assignments. I'd say probably about 5 hours. And again, it's not meant to be a hard class, and I want to just help you to get through it. So let me just show you. This is the Canvas site. You can see the URL link up at the top. I've also included that in the email that I'm sending you, as well as the YouTube link for this video to watch this. So what you would do is simply you'll land on this page when you come in. Announcements are at the top. I don't do that many announcements. Down here, I try to organize things so it's very easy to follow. So here's week 1. So if you have to catch up, there's not a lot to do here. You can see there's only 3 assignments, and actually only 2. The Zoom meeting was just what I would ask you to do is log on to one of our Zoom meetings, and that'll be in the syllabus that I've attached. And then I give you a couple of other videos as well. There were no assignments on Thursday or Friday of this week, so there wasn't a lot to do. Down below, you keep going, you see week 2. And finally, we're in week 3 right now, and we're just wrapping up week 3. A little bit more work in week 3, but it's not hard, and I show you how to do everything there. Okay, so let me just give you a sample here of an assignment. So we'll go back to week 1. It's one of the first assignments you'll do. By the way, I'm going to be flexible on the due date since a lot of you are just kind of getting started late on this. So if you just go in here and you, by the way, you might find when you go in that the week is closed. It looks like that. So you just click on the arrow to open it up, and it reveals all the days. So let me go ahead and click on this. And this is Tuesday, April the 28th. And what I asked you to do is watch a couple of videos. And down here at the bottom is an assignment. I just ask you to answer some really basic questions on the videos. If for some reason you can't download a Word document, I do my assignments in Word. You can click on this icon and it'll just bring up an image. It doesn't matter what kind of browser you have. And there you can see the questions. And you can do these on line paper. I ask that you head the paper the way I have it up here. I mean, pretty complete heading. At least what I want to see is the day number, the date, and your name. Very clearly your name. Because if you take a picture, be sure you write big enough for me to read it. And if you answer the questions, you don't have to copy the question. If you do this on line paper, I should say, you don't have to copy the question. I just want complete sentence answers. What is the term pilots use to refer to the wheels of a plane? That's called gear, but I don't want you to just write the word gear. I want you to write pilots refer to the wheels of a plane as gear, and that would be a complete sentence answer. And they're pretty easy questions to answer. Now you can come back up, and I'll just show you one of the videos. These are about 4 minutes, 5 minutes each. So if I click on that, it's a YouTube video. And we can...
Good day. Inflection Whiskey, QNH 1019, contact ground 117. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Andrea van Dijk. I'm a captain on the Boeing 737. In this video, my colleague Jos Roeper and I would like to show you how a 70,000 kilogram plane takes it to the sky. It may seem complex, but it's not really that difficult. On today's flight from Amsterdam to Athens, we will show you how airplanes fly. both the airplane's weights and the actual web.
Okay, so that just gives you an idea of what you'll do. Some of the assignments are my own. You'll see them. There'll be PowerPoints. And again, they're not really all that difficult. So if you have questions, you can email me. Come on to the Zoom meetings. I would like you to come on at least one Zoom meeting so I can talk to you and meet you. And for physics, that's on Tuesdays at 8 o'clock. And look at the syllabus. It has all the contact information, has everything about Zoom meetings that you would possibly need, what the link to this website is, and everything. So feel free to contact me anytime, 7 days a week, and I'll be glad to help you with this course and help you get through it, and I hope do well in it. Okay? So thank you for listening to this, and look forward to talking to you again sometime.